Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 13 of chapter 9 section 3. Find the solution of the differential equation that satisfies the given initial condition du by dt equal to 2t plus secant square t over 2u, where u of 0 equal to negative 6. So now we have to figure out what type of differential equation is this. So if you have an equation of the type dy by dx equal to a function of x times a function of y, where we can separate the variables on one side, dy over qy equal to px times dx. So you are able to isolate all the y's to one side, all the x to one side. If a differential equation is like this, then it's called a separable differential equation. Separable differential equation. So in this case, there are the variables involved by u and t. We can actually separate the variables here. So if you move the 2u to the other side, 2u du equal to 2t plus secant squared t dt. Now we'll integrate both sides. So integral 2u du is integral 2t plus secant squared t dt. That is 2 times u square over 2 equal to 2t square over 2 plus integral of secant square is tan of t, and then add the additive constant, the constant of integration. So here u square equal to t square plus tan of t plus c. Anytime you have an initial condition in the problem given, then it will be possible for us to solve for the constant c. You are given u of 0 equal to negative 6, which is the initial condition. The way to interpret that is when the variable t equal to 0, u equal to negative 6. So we are going to plug in t equal to 0 and u equal to negative 6 into this equation 1. So t equal to 0, u equal to negative 6. So we get negative 6 square equal to 0 square tan of 0 plus c. This is from 1. So we get 36 equal to c. We got the constant c. Then get back to the step and plug in constant c. So u square equal to t square plus tan of t plus 36, or u equal to plus or minus square root of t square plus tan of t plus 36. But which of the two values will be okay here? So you are given u of 0 equal to negative 6. So at the value 0, u value equal to negative 6. This shows that among the plus and minus, we have to choose only the negative. So it's a negative square root of t square plus tan t plus 36. So what happens is when you plug in t equal to 0, this value, the 0, 0, tan 0 is 0, you get square root of 36. But if you don't have the negative sign, you will end up with u equal to positive 6. That's not the case over here. In order for our initial condition to satisfy, you should pick only the negative sign among the two options for u. So this is the solution to this problem. Hope this video helps.